Imagine you can collect the world's entire data, understand it, and create ideas and systems and solutions that can improve people's lives. What would you create? IBM Watson and PSFK engaged a creative community and asked them to think about the future of cognitive computing.
So the idea was to open it up and allow for innovation, creativity, and really start a conversation around the world's problems that we all need to solve.
And we offered the winner $50,000 of marketing, consulting, and prototyping expertise so that they could bring those ideas to life. They also offered the winner the chance to be part of the Watson ecosystem and come to New York City to meet the lab team.
The winner of the PSFK Watson Good Data Contest was a team called Inquisit. And what they've done is create an experience for high school students so they can determine their path, their passion, and ultimately their future.
Shuya's been reading PSFK for a few years. I know this because she's been sending me links from the blog for a few years, and she mentioned this competition being put on by PSFK and IBM Watson.
We thought the question of what would you do with all the data in the world was something that's so incredibly compelling, and wouldn't it be cool if you could take all of your own information, all of your own data, and turn that into something incredibly helpful and insightful about yourself.
It was pretty cool because I was coming from a very, very technical background. Shu had worked a lot with design, and Noah had worked a lot with data. So it kind of seemed that our skills were kind of coming together in a really solid fit.
And then as far as the process goes, we started out looking at how IBM Watson has been used in the past, just to get an idea of its capabilities and exactly how powerful it was. IBM Watson has done an incredible job of taking cognitive computing and packaging it up in a way that non-CS people can really access and play around with.
Our big aha moment was when we realized that people are best at doing the things that they love. So how do we connect people to more things that they love? And through Watson, we figured out that there were ways to do it, and we could be kind of the handshake between the insights and information gained from you enjoying yourself online and using that to inform, exploration, opportunities, these sorts of things in the real world. If there's any way we can better inform high school students to make these choices in ways that can get them to where they want to be, that's quite rewarding. And Watson gives us the tools to do it, and we hope to do that through Inquisit.
What we loved about Inquisit is not only did they create a really interesting idea that's actionable for students, but it takes the power of cognitive computing and really personalizes it for each student. And what's most interesting is it turns it into a meaningful roadmap for them.
We also like the fact that the team was so diverse. Shuya Gong is a mechanical engineer and computer science major at Harvard. Matt Sebek works at a technology company where he deals with machine learning in the cloud, and Noah Sebek is studying economics and political science with a minor in policy studies. The trio had an interesting dynamic and point of view that we felt came through in the final concept.
The internet's sort of the wild west of information structure. There's no format, there's no order, there are not a lot of rules, there are definitely no laws. So kind of extracting these bigger concepts or ideas from this space is not easy. And we think that Watson actually gives us some of these tools that allow us to extract these bigger concepts and relationships between concepts.
We took this technology and really offered it up to a community of entrepreneurs and creatives and folks that thought that they could solve the world's problems. The ideas that come out of creatives bring us into places that we never would have expected to go. And ultimately, it takes advantage of what Watson does best, which is harness the power of unstructured data.